Odoo CRM provides comprehensive contact export capabilities with multiple methods and formats to suit different business needs. Odoo CRM offers 5 primary export methods. Direct list export allows quick exports from contact views. Advanced filtering enables exports based on complex criteria. Scheduled exports provide automated recurring functionality. API-based exports offer programmatic access for developers, while third-party integrations enable direct synchronization with other CRM and marketing platforms. Odoo supports multiple export formats. CSV is the most popular format, widely used for data interchange between different systems and applications. Excel formats, XLS and XLSX, preserve formatting and are perfect for business reporting and analysis workflows. JSON format is ideal for API integrations and modern web applications, providing structured data exchange. XML serves enterprise system integrations, while PDF format is perfect for reports and documentation. Odoo 17 introduced significant enhancements to contact export functionality. The improved user interface makes exports more intuitive, while better field mapping provides advanced customization options. Performance optimizations deliver up to 40% faster processing for large contact databases. When exporting contacts from Odoo CRM, you have access to comprehensive field options. Standard fields form the foundation of any contact export. Beyond standard fields, Odoo CRM offers specialized fields that capture sales and marketing data essential for business operations. Following best practices ensures efficient, secure, and reliable contact exports. These practices optimize performance and maintain data integrity. GDPR compliance is crucial when exporting contact data, especially for European Union contacts. Proper compliance protects both your organization and your contact's privacy rights. Data anonymization techniques help protect sensitive information during exports. These methods ensure compliance while maintaining data utility for analysis and operations. Understanding these fields and best practices ensures your contact exports support effective customer relationship management and business growth while maintaining security and compliance standards.